as of today, I still have not received the carburetor kit nor the aluminum bright, so that's still on hold. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and get on the bike and just take bits and pieces that need to come off. I did figure out what that switch was for. In the last video, I told you I was gonna figure out what that switch is for. Well, it looks like somebody wired that switch to turn the coolant fan on and off. So it probably has a bad sensor on the radiator. So I'm probably gonna have to order one of those too to get that fan to work normal like it should. That's an old thing we used to do way back in the 80s and 90s, because we didn't have money to fix the bikes. We just added cheap switches here and there to turn things on and off. Okay, let's get on there and take some more stuff off. I tell you, for a bike that was built in '92, it's amazing how clean the terminals are. Spark plug wires in bad condition. I have to get some new ones, I think. Oh boy, oh boy, 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 boy. Okay. This ain't gonna come out easy, I think. I'll be able to now go in here and check the valve clearance on the valves. That'll be for another day. I would have loved to do a compression check on each cylinder and see where I'm at, but I don't have the tool for that. I don't have the compression tester to do that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this covered so nothing gets inside the engine. I think I've gotten quite a bit done today. Somehow, I have to clean this bike. I need to wash it before I do any kind of paint, spray paint or anything like that. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's wintertime here. All the faucets are shut off so they don't freeze. If only I had that machine that Dell has. That would be awesome. I could wash it right here inside the garage. But I don't have one of those. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to Dell's channel. I'll put a link down below and you can check that thing out. It's pretty cool. All right, you all. I got done today what I wanted to do. I need to order brake pads and rebuild kits for the calipers, and that's if I can find them. I also need to order spark plugs, new valve cover gaskets. I got quite a bit to do now that I'm thinking about it. All right, any questions, comments, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. I no longer link to products I use because links just change too fast and I can't keep up with it. So, no more. It's just easier that way. All right, you all. Take care. Ride safe. And stay warm if you're in the Northeast area. God bless.